Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a security tip that is going to help you protect your sensitive content that you have on your computer safe, so that third party or nobody can tamper with it, or hackers will not be able to break into that particular sensitive content of yours. So without wasting time, let's work on that. So the first you need to do is just locate, you click on File Explorer, or you can press Ctrl Start button plus E. So either you click on the File Explorer from below here, or Start button on your keyboard plus E, also will run the same thing. Then you click on this PC. So for my situation, I have the sensitive content kept in a particular folder in this drive. So if I don't click on this, you can see that I have this folder in there. And this folder, when I access it, it contains all the sensitive content that I have that I don't want anybody to tamper or have access to. So I'm going to hide this particular folder from hackers or from external users. So anybody who comes to use this system will not be able to access or use this particular folder because it contains my sensitive content. The owner is the only person who will be able to retrieve the content whenever they want to access the content from here. So that is a security tip that will help you secure your sensitive content. So let's go ahead. So this can be possible using what we call command prompt. Now there are two ways for a user to interact with the system, and that is the graphical user interface, what you are seeing here. Wherever you hear the terms like click, double click, right click, all those ones, delete, drag and drop, copy, select, all those things that I'm doing here, they're all graphical. There's another alternative of accessing your computer, and that is the command line interface. And then to be short, the tool that helps us to use that interface is the command prompt, and that's exactly what we're going to use today to hide our content. So to get the utility, click on the Start button and search for CMD, or you can type command prompt in full and you can see command prompt appears. Then it's run as administrator. So just click on run as administrator and then it appears for you. Now let's run our Explorer again. Now you realize that my sensitive content was kept in this drive, that is Kali. And once you have selected it that way, you have to come and click at the very top here to locate the path. So that's the path. So in order to use the command prompt, you need to know the path of wherever you want to or whatever you want to access. So the path that I'm locating now is what that's what I'm going to type on my command prompt. So to access my folder, I need to type in here I with a column and then I execute, and you can see that automatically I'm in there. Now if I type dir, it's going to list the content in there for me. You can see that the content that I have here is what new. That is it. So now I want to hide me from anybody who comes to access this computer or who comes to access this system. I don't want anybody to intercept or get to know what is in this folder. So you're going to hide the entire folder so that nobody sees what is in there. So to do that, you type the command *, you bring a space and then +S and then +H and then double quotation, and then in between the quotation just type in there with the folder. You type in there and here we are. So if I execute this command right there, you realize that this folder is going to vanish. You're not going to see it on the system. So let's execute it now, and you realize that it is gone. So now it is going to be very difficult for you to access the folder that was in there. So now you can see the folder is lying or is staying bright on my Kali folder or my Kali directory, but it is difficult for you to locate the content in there. So they say that. So it is only the owner of this system will be able to retrieve the content. So in order to retrieve the content, how do you go about it? Let's do that again. Let's go back to your File Explorer and then the location, which is Kali, and then we click once again. So now in order to retrieve it, you have to take a reverse of what we've done. So the same command, but this time around you have to change the plus to minus and then this one to minus. So the plus simply means you want to hide, and if you want to unhide and you want that folder name that was hidden to be available or to reappear, then you place the plus with what minus and then you execute, and once you do that, the folder appears for you. So this is how you can hide your sensitive content, at the same time retrieve it whenever you want to access it. Now what you have to notice that you need to always remember the name of the folder during the operation. If not, if you forget the name of the folder, it's going to be very difficult for you to retrieve the content back. So always note that you have to always remember the name of the folder before you hide it. If not, if you want to unhide it and then you don't remember the name, and it's going to be difficult for you to retrieve it. So that's what you should note. Note down the name before you hide it. And if you want to unhide it, make sure that you type that exact same name. Then you'll be able to retrieve the content. So that is how you can secure your system, making sure that nobody can intercept with a folder or a content that contains your personal files. I hope this video was useful. So in order to get more updates for whenever I upload videos, then it is better for you to subscribe, so that anytime I release a video, you'll be the first to be updated on that particular video. Don't forget also to like, and if you have any questions, please leave the questions in the comment section. I'll be available to attend to you. Thank you for your time.